Audio Jungle. What kind of data should owners pay attention to and how can it help their business? I know, Nick, you talked about using it to see which machines are being utilized the most and which aren't, so that, affected what you would repair. So what about you, Alex? What kind of data do you, I guess, personally pay attention to and how has it helped your business?
Kind of along the same lines, the time of day or even, what days are busier, what machines are busier, that's really important. We noticed Sundays, our 80 pounders would have a line of people waiting to use them because we don't have a ton of them. So we made a discount day on Tuesday, which was our slowest day because you could tell real quick which day's your slowest. So we discounted the 80s, thinking we'll move some of those customers over. So our Tuesdays now got much busier, but we haven't lost any revenue from Sunday. So now our slowest day is Thursday, and I'm trying to find a way to do some kind of other promotion because it doesn't move people, it just brings more people in. Which it's definitely worked out in our favor.
Yeah. How about you, Russ? What kind of data do you pay attention to and how's it helped your business?
I mean, I think our biggest expense is utilities, so we're constantly monitoring utilities. We've seen several increases over the last few years, so it keeps us updating our prices on machines to stay in line with that.
Yeah, that's probably not going to change anytime soon either.